What if I told you that Apple is about to turn the Mac Mini into a desktop powerhouse once again? The new Mac Mini with M5 and M5 Pro is expected to deliver huge performance gains, better AI features, stronger graphics, and improved efficiency, all while keeping the compact design we love. In this video, we'll cover everything: M5 versus M5 Pro, performance upgrades, design changes, AI and machine learning improvements, gaming and video editing performance, who should buy it and who should skip it. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. The Mac Mini M5 is Apple's next-generation compact desktop, designed for content creators, developers, students, office professionals, small studios. Apple continues its strategy of delivering maximum power in minimum space. And with M5 chips, the Mac Mini is expected to compete with much larger desktop PCs. The Mac Mini will likely be available in two variants: Mac Mini M5, Mac Mini M5 Pro. The M5 chip is expected to be built on a 3nm or improved 3nm plus process, meaning better performance, lower power consumption, improved thermal efficiency, expected CPU improvements, faster single-core performance, up to 20 to 25% faster CPU compared to M4, better multitasking, improved efficiency cores for background tasks, benefits, faster app launches, smoother everyday performance, better battery life efficiency even on desktop, perfect for students, office users, light photo and video editing. Now let's talk about the Mac Mini M5 Pro, which is where things get exciting. CPU and GPU power. More CPU cores than standard M5. Significantly stronger GPU, designed for professional workloads. Who is it for? For 4K and 8K video editors, 3D designers, software developers, music producers, AI and machine learning users. Performance expectations: up to 35 to 40% faster than M4 Pro. Better sustained performance. M5 Pro, a mini workstation. +5. The Apple M5 Pro chip delivers strong, power-efficient graphics performance, making modern games highly playable on MacBook Pros, achieving smooth frame rates often 60+ FPS in titles like Hades 2, Cyberpunk 2077, Resident Evil 4, and Baldur's Gate 3, especially at 108p or 144p with optimized settings, and Apple's Metal FX upscaling, though it can't match high-end dedicated PC GPUs for demanding AAA titles at max settings, excelling in efficient performance and battery life. Apple is heavily improving GPU performance with every generation. Expected GPU features: hardware-accelerated ray tracing, faster metal performance, better game optimization, gaming benefits, console-level performance in some games, stable frame rates, better support for AAA titles on Mac OS. For casual and mid-level gaming, Mac Mini M5 Pro could be the best Mac Mini ever for gaming. One of the biggest highlights of M5 chips will be AI performance, neural engine improvements, faster on-device AI tasks, improved photo and video processing, better voice recognition, smarter background tasks. The Mac Mini with the M5 chip offers substantial improvements for video editing, particularly in CPU performance and AI-driven tasks, making it a highly capable machine for demanding creative workflows. Key improvements for video editing: faster CPU performance. The M5 chip features a 10-core CPU with what Apple touts as the world's fastest CPU core design, which significantly benefits photo and video editing tasks that rely heavily on raw processing speed. Enhanced GPU capabilities: the 10-core GPU in the base M5 model is up to 35% faster than the M4's GPU, due to next-gen architecture, including improved shaders and ray tracing. This translates to smoother timelines and better performance in applications like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. AI neural engine acceleration: the M5 includes an advanced neural engine designed for AI tasks, which dramatically improves performance in AI-driven editing features such as object isolation, tracking, and video upscaling in creative applications. Efficient handling of footage. The M5 handles 4K video editing, including multicam and HEVC 10-bit footage, very well, with smooth playback and rendering, especially in optimized software like Final Cut Pro. Improved responsiveness. The overall system responsiveness, from navigating menus to generating audio waveforms, feels faster and smoother compared to previous generations. Base M5 versus Pro Max chips. While the base M5 is powerful, for extremely heavy, complex workloads, for example, 6K edits with numerous effects, the M5 Pro or M5 Max chips will offer substantially more performance and dedicated GPU cores. RAM is crucial for professional video editing. Upgrading the unified memory beyond the base 8GB or 16GB is highly recommended. 24GB or more to ensure smooth performance when running multiple applications or working with long, makes the actual work process in the timeline feel incredibly fast. Final export or render times for highly complex compositions might still be slower than older, higher core count Max chips like the M1 Max, running with better cooling in a Mac Studio form factor. In essence, the M5 Mac Mini is a powerful and efficient machine that significantly improves the video editing experience, particularly for general 4K workflows and daily responsiveness. If you're a YouTuber or content creator, this part is important. Video editing capabilities, smooth 4K editing, faster exports in Final Cut Pro, improved HEVC and ProRes support, better timeline playback. M5 versus M5 Pro for creators. M5, great for casual creators. M5 Pro, ideal for professionals and studios. Even heavy projects will feel much faster and smoother. Apple will likely keep the same iconic Mac Mini design, but with better internal cooling, improved airflow, quieter operation. Even under heavy load, the Mac Mini M5 Pro should remain cool and silent. The M5 Mac Mini offers significant upgrades over the M4, focusing heavily on AI and graphics with dedicated neural accelerators in each GPU core, leading to much faster AI tasks, up to 30% faster graphics, and improved ray tracing, plus higher memory bandwidth. 153GB per second versus M4's 120GB per second and faster SSDs, making it a substantial leap for intensive workloads, though daily tasks see smaller, yet still noticeable. CPU gains around 15% faster. Mac Mini M5, entry-level pricing. Mac Mini M5 Pro, higher, but still great value. Apple usually positions Mac Mini as the most affordable Mac desktop by Mac Mini M5. If you want efficiency and speed, you do office work or light editing, you want long-term Mac OS support, by Mac Mini M5 Pro. If you're a professional creator, you need serious power, you want desktop-level performance, the Mac Mini M5 series could be one of Apple's best value desktops ever. The M5 Mac Mini, in out yet, expected mid-2026, but rumors suggest its price will likely start around the current M4 Mac Mini's price of $599 USD for the base model with increased RAM storage, with potential M5 Pro versions costing more, around $1,000 plus, similar to the current M4 Pro models. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Which one would you choose, M5 or M5 Pro? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.